the powers have to have the same exponent. We have no idea how to add powers, right? When we multiply powers, we add the exponents. Right? Something that's 10 to the 4th. What I really have to think about is either or this would have to be a 10 to the 7th. Okay? So let's put some numbers in here again. So I've got 7 times 10 to the 7th and 4 times 10 to the 4th. It's easier to actually make it either the more positive or more negative. So 10 to the 7th is more positive than 10 to the 4th, agreed?
Yes.
It's got a higher magnitude, right? So if these were negative, I would still go to the more negative one. So I still make this to negative 7. You understand? Go to the extremes, either most positive, most negative. So in this case, I want you to think about this. 10 to the 7th can be expressed as 10 to the 4th times 10 cubed. Everybody agree with that?
Yes.
Okay. So really what I want to do to this one is add 3, don't I? And you can show this on your paper. My decimal is right here, correct? When I just had 10 to the 4th, and if I put this in standard notation, wouldn't I add 4 zeros to this? So I'd have 4, and then I'd go 1, 2, 3, 4, right? But that decimal would be out. But I'm going to put it back for just a minute. How many do I really need? Oh, actually, 4, 1, 2, 3. Yep. Don't I need 3 more? What happens? 1, 2, 3. Because I need how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So I actually have to do that and shift my decimal here. Long story short, if I add to my exponent, notice make it larger, your decimal moves left the same amount. If I'm making my exponent fall smaller, for example, if I chose to make this into 7 to the 4th, I'm going to make it smaller, right? I'm going to move my decimal to the right because these are place values. Place values, that means after the decimal. With me? If I start with 7 place values after the decimal and I want to go to a smaller, right to the 4th, I have to pick up those 3 place values in order to get it just 4. So, real quick, yeah, go ahead.
If you move the decimal that way, it wouldn't be in scientific notation though, because the in front of the
Yeah, you're okay. Just hang in there, right? We'll get to that. So now let's get rid of these a minute. So I have 0.004. This is to the 7th. Get rid of that. This is now to the 7th. So this is actually, move this over here, and then I've got what? 0.004, correct? Right? All right, now let's just add them. We know it's going to be times 10 to the 7th. Well, I better do this, 6, right? I actually have some zeros here if I wanted to do that. So this would be 10, but then I'd have to borrow 1, so that'd be 9. Same here, 10, I'd have to borrow 1, and this would be 10. What's 10 minus 4?
6.
10 minus 4?
6.
6. 9 minus 0 is 9, 9 minus 0 is 9, and I got a decimal there. 6 minus 0 is 6. Everybody with me?
Yep.
Wait, but okay.
Boy, wait, are we adding? I'm messed up. Oh, I'm sorry. Yeah, guys, I know we're late for lunch. That's why I'm trying to hurry. So I got 4007 point, right? Times 10 to the 7th. That's your answer. And notice, Neve, it is in scientific notation, isn't it? There's a good call, but you have to wait till you're done with your addition first, okay?